Best Shopify bulk discount apps. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best bulk apps or the bulk discount apps that you're going to find on the Shopify App Store. So these apps are going to be the helper for you to increase sales by setting up a bulk app or a massive discount into the specific products of yours. So how we can set up the let's say Shopify store to receive this specific app. First, we are going to head over the products and then we are going to see all of the specific, as you can see, products. Make sure that we have added some products and also we have added the prices of them and etc. And then we are going to head over the Shopify store on the homepage or any page that you have. Then you're going to type in discount or bulk discount. So when you type in bulk discount, you're going to see the different apps that we have in here. And here we have tons and tons of apps. So what are we going to do? I am going basically here to let you see some of the apps that I have used. At least I am going to put 4 or 5 apps that you can go ahead and use. I will show you the discounts, or not discounts, but the benefits of using each one of the apps and etc. Now, the first app is going to be, I think, Discounty, and it is this. So we have here one, two, three, four, five apps. We have the Discounty app, so you're going to have the logo of it like that. So this is the Discounty app bulk discount sales. So it will help you basically, and naturally, how the sound of the name is discount sales. You're going to have a free plan available and also a free trial for the premium features. You're going to have here everything set up so you can go ahead and put a discount or reliable discount tool as this app for setting up, for example, a let's say here a here a countdown timer. As you can see, a let's say here a promotional message. Also, you can go ahead and have here some favicons or something set up as you can see in here. So it is going to be some widgets added into the page or product pages, and also some packs added into the subscription, for example, like that. And this app is going to be, as you can see, built for Shopify. That means that it is going to be integrated to the Shopify store without any problem. Now, let's jump into the next app, which is going to be My Bulk. So you can go ahead and see it in here, My Bulk. This app has a very high reputation, or a good reputation of 4.5 stars out of 5. You are going to see that it is going to be free to install, but you're going to have your additional charges that may apply. So you're going to have a platform that you can create here the codes and different codes or tons and bulk of codes that is going to be like that. It is going to be very simplified, and also you're going to set up the conditions of the specific discounts, the applies to where and minimum requirement, the dates, the limitation, and etc. This is going to be very awesome for creating the simplicity of the apps. Now, the third app is going to be named Koala Bundles, which is going to be a volume or a bulk discount creator. So basically, you're going to see that we have this widget or the widget creator app. This one is going to have here also a countdown, a timer, a free gift included, for example, for the, let's say here, the product that you're going to put for promotion, the quantity breaks, which is going to be, and also the announcement bar. That means that this app is going to be all in one integrated. So for the quantity breaks, it usually has been something that you're going to need a specific app called Quantity Breaks, or has the title of Quantity Breaks, to have in here. So that means that it is going to be integrated fully in here. So you're going to see here the Quantity Breaks setup, the bundles. You can go ahead and create a specific bundle for each one of the products. As you can see here, we have the, as you can see, bulk discount, which is going to be represented by this, buying one, two, or more than one items in here, and etc. Now, for the fourth app, it is going to be named Bulk Discounts Now, WOD. So it is going to be having the free plan available, and so it has a free trial. So you can go ahead and have, as you can see here, the announcement of the specific, let's say here, discount for here. You're going to have a message for the discount to be applicable and etc. You can see here that we have the quantity breaks in here for discounts and etc. Now, it is not going to be that, let's say, fluid as Koala or Discounty, but it is going to be something that you can rely on. Now, the last app is going to be DEZ or DZ Volume Discount Bundle. This app is going to be very well known. It has a very high or the highest reputation between or among these apps. It has 5 stars from 359 reviewers. It is going to create volume discounts, bundles, quantity breaks, AOVs plus, and free gifts, free shipping, process or progress bar, as you can see, and etc. So here you can see that we have the also the feature of having a progress bar that will have here, for example, free shipping or free discount or whatever that you are going to put. So basically, these apps are going to increase like or increase your sales like crazy by knowing how to set up the discounts. For example, you need to at least study the aspect of discounts, how it is going to be put, how it is going to be efficient, and how people will be attracted with it. So if you're going to put an attractive or not an attractive the discount, it is going to be logically that the people will ignore it. So you need to set up these as your own and also study how you can put them and put as something that is going to harmonize the store or the procedure of buying things. Now you've got it in here. So you have 5 apps. We are going to head over here and do a little recap. We have the discounty. So if I am going to put in a rate from 1 to 5 here on the let's say or decrease in order, so which is going to be the best and which is going to be the least best, we're going to start by here right there the DEZ, Discounty, and the Koala. So we have the first one, which is going to be DEZ Volume Discount Bundle. I highly recommend for you to install this. The second place is going to be for the Discounty Bulk Discount Sales, which is going to be also a very awesome app to have. Fully integrated, everything is in here, so you do not need to get the help of another app. Voila also bundles, it is going to be very awesome. Because we have everything all in one into here in one specific place. Now for the my bulk and bulk discount now are going to be let's say secondary apps, but they can do here the miracles. So I'm going to put my bulk to the last, as you can see here, a place because it is going to be only set up for creating here or generating codes. So it is going to generate only codes that you're going to put and distribute to the customers through, let's say here, email marketings and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.